A single teaspoon of this star weighs 1 billion tons. Dead stars are not silent in the dark void. They spin faster than a high-speed kitchen blender. Welcome to the violent world of the pulsar. When a massive star dies, it collapses inward. Gravity crushes the core into a tiny ball. The remnant is only 12 miles across. Yet it packs more mass than our entire sun. Conservation of angular momentum makes it spin wildly. A dying star becomes a cosmic strobe light. Beams of radiation sweep across the vacuum of space. They flash with the precision of a master metronome. Human clocks drift over the course of centuries. Pulsars maintain rhythm for billions of years without error. We use them to map the invisible currents. They act as lighthouses in the deep ocean sky. Some spin hundreds of times every single second. They are the ultimate anchors of galactic time. But their behavior is far from perfectly calm. Sudden starquakes force the star to change speed. This glitch reveals secrets of the ultra-dense interior. No human laboratory can replicate this extreme density. We are witnessing matter pushed to the absolute limit. They serve as navigation beacons for interstellar travel. If we ever leave our system, we follow them. Scientists use them to hunt for elusive gravitational waves. Ripples in space-time warp the arrival of these pulses. We listen to the fabric of reality itself. The universe is vibrating with their haunting signals. These remnants of ghosts guide our modern scientific instruments. They are the heartbeat of the evolving galaxy. A rhythmic pulse that echoes through deep time. They survive long after their original light has faded. Nature built a machine that defies mechanical decay. We are tiny observers of this massive precision. They remind us that time is not always constant. It is a physical force carved into the stars. The pulsar is the ultimate legacy of destruction. From total collapse emerges perfect cosmic order. The rhythm of the universe is eternal and unforgiving. We are merely listening to the echo of creation. Pulsars will spin when humanity is long forgotten. They are the silent witnesses to our fleeting existence. The clock keeps ticking in the cold, dark void. We are just sparks in the shadow of giants. The stars hold the time that we cannot keep. Look up and listen to the pulse of eternity.